Well, looks like I'm live. I'm setting up my green screen for no reason though, because my goal today. Here, I'll set this up here. My goal today was to show you, or to actually go through some statistics of mine. And I was going to be like, hey, look, I wasn't lying. I make this amount of money. I do this. I do that. Which I made, I think, close to $78, $80 in the past 28 days between YouTube, Skillshare, and Udemy, and Amazon affiliate program, all combined using basically the same content. Nothing new. I'm just saying that my goal for making triple digits by the end of this year is being, I think it's going to happen. And by the way, I did shave my beard. I look a little different, but I look younger. That's fine. So anyways, the struggle is real though with technology because, for example, today I was going to stream a live stream saying, hey, look, I'm starting to do live more because I have no time. I mean, I'm busy with work. I've got a full-time job. I've got all these things to do. I've got editing. And if I go live, I can save a lot of time and be done with it. So I get home from work and I'm pumped up. I'm having one of those like, oh, I can talk type days. You know, I can talk about anything, explain anything, and be coherent, full sentences, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, that was about 45 minutes to an hour ago. Now I'm more in the I'm pissed off mode because nothing's working. My MacBook Pro decided to not work. My OBS crashed over and over again. I couldn't get it to work. So OBS is I think it's online broadcasting software. I couldn't get it to work. It kept crashing on me, so I deleted it, reinstalled again, restarted my computer, nothing. So right now I'm doing an upgrade to my MacBook because there was an update. I already updated to Catalina, whatever it is, and I think that's really what kind of caused everything to be a mess. So I've updated that, and everything is sort of breaking. And I don't know, I guess about an hour later, I'm still here, not going live on my computer like I was going to. I'm actually live with my actual green screen with no chroma key because I have, this is my phone I'm using. And I was going to show you my stats. But I'm having trouble with technology, and that's the thing. The struggle is real. So people quit all the time because of technology problems. Well, I just want the world to know that you're not alone. I definitely struggle with it all the time. And it's a hell of a barrier to entry. Not just owning the technology, but maintaining the technology. I have this awesome MacBook Pro. I've got a great Yeti microphone. I've got all these things, but if they don't work, it's not going to do you any good, right? Well, that's where I'm at right now. I've got the hardware, I've got the software, it's just not working. So it's a struggle. And if you can get through that struggle, then I think you're going to do better than somebody that's going to quit after one or two failures. The thing that you have to get used to is this will happen all the time. So don't let it really get to you. Yes, I might have lost today. I didn't get to do what I wanted to, but here I am trying out this on my phone to get the message out there. Now, again, I wanted to give you my stats. I'm making close to $80 for the past 28 days. I'm hoping to hit over 100 by the end of the year. That was my goal about 2 or 3 months ago, where I was pushing, 25, $30. Now I'm up to hopefully continuously $80, but we'll see. I swapped my my Udemy C++ course from free to paid. So hopefully that'll get me a couple bucks there every hopefully every couple days I get a potential customer, but I kind of doubt it. I think I'll probably get maybe 1 or 2 per month. It's just something I don't market that much, and it is older, and all the content is available for free elsewhere. So I don't expect too much from it, but maybe I'll get 1 or 2. But what I do expect to do is be able to email all of them and tell them about my upcoming R course. And it's a course on basic R, how to manipulate it, to take advantage of it, but it has nothing to do with statistics or modeling. It's just, here's how do you program in basic R, all the way up to the point where you're about to get to statistical analysis and trend analysis. So manipulating data, the ETL process, extraction, transformation, loading of data, how do you get a CSV file in, how do you connect to a database, things like that. So that's where I'm at right now. And again, this is a live feed because I'm trying to utilize all the time I can and avoid unnecessary editing. But as I said, this is a technology type content about how to create things, and basically I'm failing miserably today, but don't fret. Everybody goes through it. Upgrades happen, updates happen. It's painful, and you just got to get through it. Today's a loss when it comes to technology for me, but that's okay. There's always tomorrow, and same for you. And I know that you're trying to create content. Just know, that there's always tomorrow. So I didn't expect anybody to be on here live, but if they are, it's shown 0, so there's that. Oh, so of that money that I made $45-ish from YouTube alone, only about $11 from Amazon, and $22 from Udemy, and I think $11 from Skillshare. So I'm a little disappointed in Skillshare because I quadrupled at least what I did last month. And I was expecting a little bit more money, but really, honestly, I think the first 2 months I made maybe like $2.50. And then the next month or two, I made another like $2 or $3. But now in the past month, I made $11. So not too bad. Not too bad for still trying it out. Not really advertising too much. I upgraded my website slightly with another clickable link that'll go to my Skillshare, get 2 months free type thing. And if people do click that, it'll be $10. And for me, and they get 2 free months as well. And you can take all the courses you want. I can't tell you to not skip any advertisements that pop up in my videos. I can't tell you not to skip. I can't tell you to skip them. So don't do that. But I will say that if you do skip them, it doesn't help any of my YouTube channel content out, because I don't get paid at all for that. And you're looking at something like you're talking like 1 or 2 pennies per advertisement that gets run, times all the videos that are run, your X amount of thousands of hours that are run. So it adds up, but it's actually the slowest stream of income that I have. It seems to be the slowest, as far as I've been trying for a long period of time to get there with YouTube, but I seem to be getting there faster with Udemy and Skillshare. And that's why I truly believe that YouTube is the platform not to stream ads so much and get money through AdSense, but to show that I have a social presence elsewhere. I have, those other platforms. So that's the idea behind that. And that's it. I just wanted to update you on my struggles with technology and the pain that I went through today. Hopefully, this is about the time frame with the MacBook and the Apple Catalina update that's being forced upon everybody. Hopefully that they fix their issues, or maybe it's just me and I just need to do a restart of everything. If you're having any type of troubles with the new upgrades for Mac OS, whatever it's called, I don't even keep up with what it's called. But comment below and tell me what kind of struggles you have, because I've had struggles with Final Cut Pro and OBS so far, and those are the 2 video editing type softwares that I use every single time I touch my computer, and I can't use either one of them that well right now. OBS crashes completely, can't use it at all. Final Cut Pro is just glitchy and slow. So there it is. Again, comment below, tell me about your struggles with the new update. Take it easy.